Hi guys, I hope you guys, thank you for 50 subscribers. I'm going to show you how to use a vending machine. Okay, so you have to insert your money and see and choose the snack that you want. Okay, so I insert $1. Then I'll press, I wanted C3. Okay, $1. But I insert the dollar. If it doesn't come down, that means it's kind of not working. Then you try this vending machine right there and see if that works. My backpack. Oh, yeah. Always take my stuff with me. Okay, so I'm gonna get this snack, C2. Try to insert your dollar and see if it works. Then you press C and 2. See, it comes down automatically. It's been a while since I got this, since my 25th subscriber. Okay, then you want to try this out too. They put locks so nobody doesn't take them down. And there's like another one right there that you can do. And you can press the button for those prices, see? Because it doesn't come down when you don't insert enough money. See how expensive this is? I'm gonna try to get a Gatorade soon. You take out $2. I don't have a lot in this. I just took a few to school, just all my ones. See how much you insert in this. Then you insert some coins. I'm gonna insert 2 coins. Okay, got this. Okay, now I have $2.50 and I want a red Gatorade. You press on it. See, there it goes. You get this red Gatorade. Now, you have your snack and you can get more if you want. I'm gonna insert one more $1. This one. I'm gonna insert this. Let's get another one. That'll be it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye.